Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to join a Zoom meeting on browser. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to join Zoom meeting on the browser using the Zoom web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch any web browser of your choice. So this is my web browser. And in the address bar, just go ahead and click on type in Zoom. It's going to take you to a couple of options here. And now click on Zoom, which is the first you will find. On the Zoom homepage, which we have in here, you're going to see an option that says join. So join, now select join. Now you can choose join by meeting ID or public event list, any of them. So click by meeting ID, and once you click by meeting ID, it's going to take you to the next window where you will have to enter the meeting ID itself. So enter the meeting ID or personal link name in here, and once you've entered that, go ahead and click on join. So type in the meeting ID. The meeting ID is usually a 9 to 11 digit number, or the personal link name, which can be available, and click on join. Now, if you're prompted to open a desktop application, select the option join from your browser below. All right, if you're prompted to open the Zoom desktop application, select the option join from your browser below the prompt. This option allows you to stay in your browser. Now, this will open the Zoom web app, enabling you to join the meeting directly in your browser without needing the desktop app. After entering the meeting, a preview window may appear, allowing you to configure your audio and video settings. Choose join with computer audio if prompted, and enable or disable your camera as needed. Once your settings are configured, click join meeting to enter the session. And once in the meeting, you have access to the meeting controls at the bottom, such as mute, start video, participant, chat, and reactions. Use these controls to manage your participation. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for an uninterrupted experience. And if joining the meeting via a browser for a first time, Zoom may prompt you to allow access to your microphone and camera. Be sure to grant us permissions for full functionality. Following the steps will allow you to join a Zoom meeting directly through your browser on the Zoom web app. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.